Hey guys, we have Minion Mania going on today at FunLand TV. We have these amazing blind bags and 2 amazing minion eggs. We have a bad minion and we have a good minion. And let's get the blind bags open first. I'm excited! We can collect lots of little minions. Ooh, who's this? It's a caveman. And in this one we have... Arr, we have a pirate minion. Haha, he's so cute. Yay, they're excited. Oh no, they're fighting. Oh no, don't fight, guys. Okay, which one? We're gonna go for this one first. Let's make him bald. Shave his head. Ta-da! Oh, no, don't take off his mouth. Then he can't speak. No, now he can't see! Let's get this egg open. It's a Kinder Surprise. Oh, hang on. It's Minion Kinder Surprise! Woo! And there's minions hiding in here too. Is that Kevin? Stuart and Kevin? Hi guys! Okay, let's get these Kinder eggs open because I'm hungry and I want some chocolate. Quick, get them open. What's inside? It's a minion with a splat gun. What's this one? Let's see inside this. Quick, open them up. It's too exciting. I want them open faster. It's another caveman. And they can go together because they're like best friends. And we got 2 left. Let's go for this one. Let's open it up. Quick, open it up. Get the wrapper off. I can't wait to eat all this chocolate. I love Kinder chocolate. Do you? Let's see what's in... Oh! Doubler alert! We got a doubler. Oh, but its hair's cool. It's like a paintbrush. Okay, last one. Let's get this one open. And inside this one we have... Pop. Ooh, this isn't a figure. Ooh, look, this is a name tag. Ooh, this isn't a figure. This one is a name tag. Let's put it all together. Pop this on here. And... Ooh, look. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's open this one. I bet you there is more Kinder eggs in here. Pop. 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 Haha. Okay, let's take off his eyeball. Look at all of our minions. Okay, let's open this. Ew. What's that? Ew. This one's a bad egg. Ew. That's like... Ew. Minion guts. That's disgusting. Oh no, don't, no. Ew, that's so horrible. It feels gross. It's all gooey and bobbly. Let's stick all the minions in there and we can have a minion slime party. Let's cover them up in all the slime. Ew, they're playing in minion guts. That's gross. Slimy minions. Ew, If you liked our Minion Mania video, don't forget to subscribe to FunLand TV to see all our daily updates. Bye!